Evening, Sonam. How are you?
Good evening, sir. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing as good as the last time we had the conversation. So, Sonam, today I guess we have a beautiful topic to discuss on, and that beautiful topic would be on our mother. Maybe I'll discuss on your mother. I'll ask a few questions on that. So, going ahead,
Okay.
uh, I'll ask like how close you are to your mother.
I can say very close because I can't say like this. Very close, like nobody, like you can say I'm very, very close. Like anything I can share with my mother. I'm not like my friend, you can say, and my sister and all. But I can share with my mother is not like mother, it's like a friend for me, you can say.
Okay, okay. So basically, the mother for a girl is like a friend, but then similarly, if we consider that a father for a boy is not like a friend, because even I have lived my life where I remember that I never used to think like my father, my dad is my friend. I would react or talk the way I can share my thoughts with my father. But then that's really nice that you have your mother like a friend so that you can share your odds and events of your life with your mother. So like what three qualities would you like to tell, like those three good qualities of your mother which really sticks you to your mother, to you.
I can say three quality is not more than enough. You can say lots of quality they have, but you are asking the three quality. First of all, she is helping me a lot. Like in the any terms, I can say like she is helping me how to like a cook because I'm not cooking a food, so she's helping me in the cooking. Like just like you can say guiding me how to prepare the any kind of food because I'm not in good in the cooking. So she's helping me and any kind of thing like if I'm feeling low you can say bad not angry you can say so that time she is helping me like emotionally you can say help me a lot
Hmm.
so yeah in these terms like she has a quality to like I can so you can say I can easily move on my like any kind of thing in my life
Okay.
like not to think more. She's helping me all the time.
Mm-hmm.
And what do you say? I couldn't actually prepare this kind of thing.
Mm-hmm. Any best memory of your childhood with your mother that you would like to share with us?
Any best memory? How can I say? Like my mother is loving me a lot. I can say we have a four sister, one brother. But my mom is caring me a lot because she is thinking I still I'm like a kids for her. Like my
Are you
all
the
brother are
youngest one?
sorry.
Are you the youngest among your brothers and your brother and sisters?
Yes, yes,
You are the youngest sibling.
yes, yes.
Okay.
So that is why she is like a still like a all my sister and brothers are jealous feel because she's loving me a lot.
Okay.
So yes, and through the time you can say my school time like I'm doing a job, but till that time she is not like telling me to do a house chores kind of work. She is telling you do your like a study and whatever you want to do because this thing you can do in your future. But for like now the present time your study and this kind of thing is very important. So you focus on that like some kind of mother is not telling like this.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, so she's helping me because of you can say her support I was completing all this kind of thing.
Mm-hmm. Okay. That's really nice. Even I'm the youngest in my family. I would say, because probably now I have younger people in my family. So, uh, yeah, during my childhood. I used to find that the youngest child of the family is loved by the father and mother the most, and probably that's the reason the other siblings of the youngest child s- gets a bit of jealous that he is being cared more than me. So probably this kind of feelings and like promote in encourage in doing some those nuisance activities against that youngest child by that sibling. Anyways, so like you said, you are the youngest among the four sisters and one brother. So tell me any incidents of your life where you found yourself to be in a great trouble, you found yourself to be entangled with any problem, and any just recall any of that incident, and your mother turned to be a savior for you. She just helped you come out of that incident.
Actually, this kind of incident, by God grace, is not happened like in my lifetime. You can say not happened. But one time I was very, you can say, not well, very not well. One kind of like a operation, small operation I have. So that time I couldn't like a walk. I couldn't like any kind of thing. I can't do this. So she's just, I was feeling like a small, just a newborn baby. Like she's everything giving, like she's eating me with their hands and all the things she's doing. So that time I was feeling like I was helpless, like I couldn't do anything. And because if she's not who is doing, who is like nobody can did like my sister and brother have, but my like a mother is the very close support. So that time she's helping, she was helping a lot. So I was all the time thinking, because of her I am alive now, otherwise I think I was dying.
Okay. Okay. Just want to just mention few of the things. Well, the all the sentences, the incidents that you mentioned right now was or happened in the past. So everything, every sentence that you spoke was not in the past tense. Rather, it was in the kind of the words that you use was present tense. Like I have something you use, but it should have been I had that kind of I had been operated by such and such kind of thing, whatever you might have explained. And she is doing, actually, she did that. She did that
Yes.
for you. Your mother did that for you, and nobody can be did that. So nobody could have done this for me. The sentences could be could have been framed this way, like nobody could have done that for me what my mother did that at that point of time, right? So really, a mother is like the angel who has been sent by God, by the Almighty for us, who treats us like the like a baby. Whenever we are in any kind of problem, they really do the spoon feeding that you said that she did for you, and we cannot uh, uh, return the gratitude to our mother. It's really true. So that's the reason we all of us love our mother so much. And apart from that, anything special that you have done in your life for your mother till now?
Mm, Actually, I have done a lot of things, but I couldn't share this thing
And
in this
any
kind
one
of platform.
out of that, any one out of that, that is not like, it's just like sharing something that could be admired by everyone, and people get inspired by your thing that you did to your mother, so that we would think that um, we should also do these kind of activities for our mother.
Okay, so I just share the one small thing. When I started my job, okay, when the first salary when I got, that time I purchased the one sari for my mother. Like my it's my dream. Whenever I started my working life, so I give the sari to my mother with my salary. So this is the one thing. I can do, like, I was doing a lot of things, but I don't like to share all that thing.
Hmm. Well, let me share a small instance that happened in my life. When I started earning, the first salary that I had, apart from my expenses, like when I was away from my hometown, so I had several other expenses, like I had to pay the rent, I had to manage my own livelihood as well. So apart from that, rest of the money I sent it to my mom. So mom, actually my parents. So that is what I did initially when I started earning. So like occasionally we keep doing several things that is required for our mother, and maybe our daily needs requirements that we have. That is also something success, I would say, that has been achieved by an individual. So now, concluding the story of your mother, uh, just let us know in 5 to 6 sentences, what is your, or how is your mother exactly?
You can say my mother, if I describe his life, so she is
Describe
a
her.
very straightforward kind of, she is a very straightforward kind of person. Like anything, if she feel, she can tell your face. Okay, some person like a hide, and some person like a back behind, like talking. But she is not like that.
Back,
So
back stitching.
yes, so I like my mother. Like whatever she have, she can tell front of people. Not any kind of fear. Like she is very, you can say, some kind of person. Not that much of fear. Like afraid to speak to somebody, but she is very straightforward. And I can say, I was like to, like. I want to live my life like my mother, how she's live their life till now. Because she is a very, you can say, she's not, you can say, educated. My mother is not educated. But you can say, calculation is very fast. The mathematics and all that. Whenever she is going to grocery shops, the grocery shops keepers like a calculator using, but she's just 2 or 3 minutes is giving the answers like
Oh my
this much
God.
of their. Yes, she's very like intelligent in the mathematics stuff, you can say, but she's not educated. But you know that time people are not giving the importance of the education. So but like she's not educated, but she's not feel like she's not educated. So yes, so this is the quality my mom have. And she is living a very simple life. Like we like my mom, you can say 40 to 45 years in Mumbai she's living, because she's born and brought up in the UP side. But 40 to 45 years in the living in Mumbai. But her lifestyle and her, you can say, language, like our language is Bhojpuri. So like she's like a same thing, nothing is changed her lifestyle. Like some people have like a change to the atmosphere, but she's never changed herself. Like she's very simple. So this kind of thing, you can say, the all the people not have.
Hmm.
They are
Okay.
changed with their environment, but she didn't change herself.
Hmm. Oh, that's really nice. Awesome.
Yes,
So basically, what came out from the sentences that you mentioned, your mom is very daring kind of one person.
yes,
And secondly, when you said, when we describe someone, uh, keep this in your mind that anyone, if someone has kind of thing that we understand that he or she has a kind of negative thing in her life, what, how we can transform those thoughts or words into positive, we can do this way. We can say this way that life has taught her a lot of things, so she has got lots of life experiences. Okay, instead of saying that she is not educated enough, we can go ahead and say this way. Okay, she didn't get education, but on the other hand, the life has taught a lot to her, so she is full of experiences. And basically the third point that I caught from your words was like, she, in spite of living from in spite of living in Mumbai from last 40 to 45 years, she has not transformed the way of speaking, or and completely she is the way she was from her native place. So that's like
Yes.
a simple, she's very simple and humble person that I can understand from your words. And you said mom has these qualities. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
singular, you're talking for a single person. So that's really nice. And you said that Bhojpuri is the language that people speak, your mom and your native people. So Bhojpuri is really sweet, Sonam, what I would say. And people who are from UP or maybe from Bihar, from these states, if they speak, when they speak, and the people who understands it really feels that it is really sweet, because there are certain kind of group of people who really make kind of humor around it, around this language, but then still it's really sweet. I really appreciate that, although I can't speak that, but then yes.
Me too. I can't speak the Bhojpuri, but I like to speak Bhojpuri, but I can't because I all time speak in Hindi now. So that's why.
Okay. And but yes, when you uh, become actually you come in among the group of people who are talking in Bhojpuri, you tend to acquire few of the sentences, and you, if you speak out, you would be able to speak out at least a sentence or two. I know that, because even I, when I am in the group of people who speak Maghi, which is from Maghad. So I am able to like grasp few sentences and then replicate those sentences. So, anyways, it is really nice. The qualities that you have mentioned about your mother is like unique, I would say, because this uniqueness, the unique qualities of your mother has kept all your brother and sisters in this competitive world, and she has uh, like brought you, your upbringing has been done with your mother, by your mother, and she has allowed you to go ahead and work in a professional life, I would say. So this is all about because of her daring nature. And apart from that, one last thing, and then we will end the session. Like,
Okay.
we have something, when we see someone, we resemble that person with any of the celebrity. Like, my mother looks like the old actress Nutan, and my father used to look like actor Vinod Mehra. So how would you say, like, your mother resembles to which actor, or basically which actress? Not exactly, but then we have a kind of, like, as you said that you like Katrina, maybe you might have a thought behind your this thought, that your face cut or maybe your character might be resembling to Katrina. Probably that's the reason you have kind of liking towards her. So you might definitely think for your mother as well.
Actually, I couldn't think like that. Like my mother is like this kind of thing. I don't remember. Like you
Okay.
can say.
Okay, anyways, your mother would be an angel for every time for you, and hope we had a good conversation today.
Yes, yes. It's nice topic.
So, basically, Sonam, when do you come back from your work?
Eight o'clock or 8:30 sometime.
Okay, okay. So that's the reason you take late night classes sessions, basically. I understand
Yes,
now. Okay,
yes. Because the half an hour I take a rest, then after
okay.
that I will
No
start.
worries, no worries. Okay then, Sonam. Take care of yourself and your mom and your family members, and have a good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night.